Norfolk Southern, eastbound ethanol loads, 6K4. From Chicago, Illinois to Seawarren, New Jersey. This is the last train in 2024. It has K5LLA C6M on the front. So once it gets here, I will start the recording again. But until then, jump cut. And that's 6K4. Damn! Ah, ghost! Whoa! There's the DOT for a rear train. Rear train, DOT. Ah! Placard! That thing's a little hot. Okay. FRA AIP, or whatever that means. 24-hour emergency number. Okay. Here's the end of 6K4. So any second it'll be triggering the detector. AK365. I haven't heard the thing clear Apollo yet. Huh. MTZX. Oh, there's a head EOT. I don't know how I'm hearing that. Just put over the detector. Should be going off any second. Ah, flat spot. Damn. Yeah, that car. Nice. Any second now. And air slide buffer, nice.
Norfolk Southern milepost 36.5.
Really bubbly. Really, I'm seeing a little there.